Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we'll continue the feature series by looking at sync mode and how it affects the interaction between the Mapillary viewer and the map. Sync mode allows the widget to keep the active image location aligned with the map while you navigate through images. When this option is enabled, the current frame position is automatically tracked on the map, so you always maintain spatial awareness of where you are. One of the useful aspects of this feature is the lock position setting. Instead of always centering the location, you can choose where the active position should stay within the map view. This helps you preserve valuable screen space, especially when the widget occupies part of the map area. For example, you can keep the focus toward the left, right, top, or bottom, depending on your layout. This makes it easier to maintain a clear view of both the imagery and the surrounding map context without constantly adjusting the map manually. This becomes particularly helpful in real-world applications where interface space is limited, and you still want users to follow movement direction clearly while navigating through sequences. As you move forward or change images, you'll notice that the map updates automatically based on the selected lock position, providing smooth, position-oriented tracking between the viewer and the map. In the next video, we'll take a look at the General Settings section, where you can configure the widget to always start with certain modes and layers already enabled. This allows you to control the default behavior and ensure users immediately see the experience you want to provide when the widget loads.